When disaster strikes, whether through cyber attacks, system failures, or natural events, the aftermath can devastate businesses. Research shows that only 6% of companies survive catastrophic data loss, highlighting the urgent need for a robust recovery plan. Cloud Disaster Recovery offers a reliable solution by storing data in secure, remote locations and enabling quick restoration when disruptions occur. As Rob Gluckin, CEO of GTG Networks, states, as organizations rely increasingly on digital data, prioritizing cloud-based disaster recovery becomes essential for sustainable business operations. By leveraging features like automated backups, real-time monitoring, and built-in redundancy, businesses can minimize downtime, protect sensitive information, and maintain compliance with industry regulations. To ensure your organization is prepared, the article outlines practical steps for implementing and testing a recovery plan while avoiding common pitfalls like skipping regular testing or choosing inadequate solutions. For a complete guide on safeguarding your data and operations, visit the GTG Networks website today. Add us to your Spotify playlist for more actionable insights.